Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saisha Tech. This is Amok Kaliwa. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the last video, we were studying about decision tree implementation for regression models. Here, regression means the target attribute is continuous, wherein we understood standard deviation reduction concept for choosing the best attribute. In today's video, we will understand the pruning techniques, that is the overfitting problem of decision tree, wherein we will utilize post-pruning and pre-pruning techniques to reduce this error which is caused by overfitting in decision tree. Pruning in layman terms can be understood as trimming of the tree by cutting away the dead branches. In machine learning, we utilize it to overcome the problem of overfitting. There are numerous ways or numerous types of pruning technique. The most common and widely used are pre-pruning technique and post-pruning technique. In pre-pruning technique, we stop growing the trees before it is perfectly classified according to the training set. Similarly, in post-pruning technique, we build the tree perfectly according to the training set and then post-prune the tree for providing the perfect output. In case of pre-pruning technique, it is difficult to analyze when to stop exactly growing the trees. Hence, post-pruning technique is the best way or widely accepted way for pruning technique. As we have understood these two methods, let us deep dive into pre-pruning technique. In pre-pruning, you consider a data set. This data set, you split it into two data sets. One training data set, the other validation data set. Now, you build the tree on your training data set and you validate your tree on your validation set. Now, when you will stop building the tree? When the size of the tree plus the size of the misclassification of the trees gets minimized, that time you stop building your tree. This is how a pre-pruning technique works to reduce the error of overfitting in decision tree. Now let us understand the post-pruning technique which is utilized for reducing the error. Post-pruning technique can be achieved using chi-square test. Chi-square test is also known as goodness of fit test, wherein we utilize the observed minus expected error values to understand how well the model is performing. To understand this, I have taken a frequency table which has bronze, silver and gold with good and bad conditions. From this frequency table, we have calculated the chi-square test. That comes out to be 0.21 with the probability of 0.9 for degrees of freedom 2. Now, if we have considered a 5% threshold or the critical value as 5%, which is equal to 0.05. For this frequency table, which has a probability of 0.9, we continue to build the trees. When the probability value becomes less than the 0.05, then we stop or prune the trees at that position. This is how we utilize post pruning technique to reduce the error in decision tree for overfitting models. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.